There are number of STD disease, that is sexually transmitted disease, like AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea. In this session I will discuss about AIDS, and you have to know the full form of AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and main reason of this disease: sexual intercourse, unprotected sexual intercourse. So here you have to know the simple introduction of AIDS, and again you have to know about HIV, as because HIV is one of the virus which is responsible to cause AIDS, and HIV full form is human immunodeficiency virus, but AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. And this HIV is one of the retrovirus which cause AIDS, and there is no treatment for HIV, as well as treatment is available but no cure. So then here the simple structure of HIV virus. You have to know this structure. And again you have to know the route of transmission of HIV, how this HIV virus can enter into the body. There's maybe a number of reason is there, like first reason is sexual contact, unprotected sexual contact. Second thing may be blood exposure, means blood transfusion from infected person, or using a needle, not using means sharing needles, or you can say using syringe, common syringe. Again perinatal transmission may be there, from mother to baby, or through breastfeeding. Some occupational transmission may be there, through healthcare workers and hospital staff, or laboratory workers, and other routes may be there, like organ transplantation, artificial insemination, needle prick. Here you can see clearly it is mentioned. First one is unprotected sex with an infected person. Second thing is transfusion of infected blood and blood products. Third thing is a sharing of contaminated syringes and needles. Fourth, infected mother to child, means genetically. Next, some common symptoms of HIV virus, or you can say some common symptoms of AIDS, that are fever, weight loss, pharyngitis, then myalgia, and liver and spleen enlargement, skin rash, nausea, vomiting, then headache, neuropathy, and malaise. These are the of AIDS, and some opportunistic infection associated with AIDS, or you can say complications of AIDS. Due to AIDS, this disease may be there, like tuberculosis, pneumonia, influenza, and pneumocystis carinii, and fungal infection may be there, candidiasis. Then here the simple structure of HIV virus. You have to know this structure. In pathophysiology of AIDS, there is 5 steps. In first step, reverse transcription. Second step, integration. Third, replication. Fourth, budding, and fifth, maturation. In reverse transcription, there will be HIV RNA is converted to DNA. Integration, that DNA formation of DNA is enters into CD4 cell, In replication, that CD4, the DNA is forming messenger DNA in CD4 cell, and that messenger DNA initiates the synthesis of HIV protein. In fifth step, the HIV proteins and other viral RNA which are required or needed to form a new virus are gathered in CD4 cell membranes and form a new virus. Fifth step is maturation, that new viruses is formed, that in maturation, that mature new viruses will be matured, or you can say what are the HIV protein is forming, that cuts into small functional units that are resemble to a mature virus, and that virus is ready to infect other cells. And next, then prevention method, you have to you can take prevention, or you will be safe if you know the cause of AIDS. You know the different cause of AIDS. Based on that, you have to take protection. Like first one, avoid multiple partners. Second, use sterile needles each time for injection. Then never share needles. Avoid unnecessary blood transfusion. All pregnant women should be tested for HIV. That means this was the cause, and based on cause of AIDS, take prevention. And so these are the drug therapies available for the treatment of HIV, as because you know HIV is one of the retrovirals, so you have to take antiretroviral therapy. First thing is nucleoside. In first drugs, nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Example is zidovudine, istabudine, lamivudine, zalcitabine, and didonasin. Second thing is non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, that is nevirapine and delavirdine. Third thing is protease inhibitors, that is indinavir, ritonavir, nelfinavir, sequinavir. There are number of STD disease, that is sexually transmitted disease.